Here we present a comparison of Resilient Corporation's market schema with that of the Department of Homeland Security. Resilient schema comprises 18 industry sectors, while DHS's breakdown numbers 16 sectors. As we connect the dots across these similar market schemata, the following relationships are noted. First, we present those sectors that map to one another as rough equals. These include the financial sector, communications, manufacturing, information-centric technologies, transportation networks, healthcare, and agriculture. Next, we note those resilient categories that encompass more than their similarly focused DHS counterparts. These include resilience energy sector, which, in the DHS schema, is distributed across three categories: energy, nuclear power, and hydropower. Resilience insurance sector, which maps to DHS's disaster response category, among others. Resilience utilities sector, which envelops DHS's water systems. Resilience basic materials, which encompasses DHS's chemical sector. Resilience national security, which includes DHS's defense industrial base. And resilience government category, which takes into account DHS's government facilities. DHS's commercial facilities category combines three resilient sectors: consumer goods and services, media and entertainment, and real estate. Now we note where resilient sectors overlap with DHS categories. Resilience insurance, for example, overlaps with DHS categories in financial services, healthcare, and commercial facilities. Resilience utilities overlays DHS's dams and its emergency services. Resilience healthcare extends to DHS's emergency services and its chemical sector. Resilience basic materials captures some of DHS's critical manufacturing. Resilience agriculture and food involves DHS's chemical sectors. Resilience consumer category overlaps with DHS's chemical sector and its food sector. Resilience transportation overlays DHS energy on the subject of pipelines. And finally, resilience national security and government categories extend to DHS's emergency services. We end by noting two resilient categories that go beyond DHS's nation-centric schema. These resilient categories are designed to account for national and international business infrastructures, namely commercial entities and their networks inside a nation, and large conglomerates whose operational footprint and networks extend across the globe. In combination, these two resilient categories capture a significant portion of DHS's commercial facilities sector. In sum, this is how Resilient Corporation's Resilient Index accounts for all the categories that comprise the Department of Homeland Security's market schema.